Morning, afternoon people, welcome back to the channel. So you probably guessed by the title of this video, one of my queens flew away. So I introduced a queen to this colony and a queen to this colony using a direct release method. You put the queen in 48 hours, you open the cage, you let her on a frame, you watch her be accepted. First queen I released was this one. Textbook. I'll show you a clip of that in a second. I then, 5 minutes later, released this queen and she flew away. At the time, I dropped her on the frame. I couldn't see her on the frame, but because of the peripheral vision with my face veil and my gloves, I couldn't see. I played the video back and I seen her on my finger and I seen her fly off. That was 12 days ago. If the queen does fly off, will she fly back into the colony? Don't know, we're going to find out. So we're going to have a look inside this and see if she's in there or not. So first things first, I'll show you the clip of the successful textbook introduction on this nuke box. We then place the queen in between two frames like this and leave her there for 48 hours. I've done that already. So we're going to release this queen now today. Okay, so the queen is right there on that frame. We'll get the camera now, I'll show you. So the queen is right there, marked in green. As you can see, there's bees around her, having like a little sniff. She's just standing still. So you can see she's not alarmed. There's bees around her, having a good sniff, so to speak. You can see some, that's a good sign, towards the front, towards her mouth. You can see that other little bee to her front, and another one, they're feeding her. Generally the younger bees that feed the queen. You can see these two very young bees. Okay, so that's how it should go. Now let me show you the one that went wrong. Or did it go wrong? We'll see. She's been there for 48 hours. You can see her in there, marked in green. What we are going to do is just pop her onto this frame of brood. So there you go, clearly see on that video, she won on my finger and then she flew off in that direction. The camera was here, so she flew in that direction. I did take all the frames out, go through them, and I couldn't see her in there. However, she may well have flown back in. So if a queen does fly off when you're introducing her, will she fly back in? I guess we're going to find out now, aren't we? Some people are thinking, oh, you shouldn't use that introduction method, you should use the slow release introduction method, blah blah blah. Now, I've used that method multiple times. It's the first time it's ever gone wrong. Now bear in mind, I literally introduced one using that method 5 minutes before. So that frame is just packed with stores. See a lot of bees in this colony. Okay, so straight away I'm seeing larvae. So that will say to me there's a queen in here who's been laying, or you've got a laying worker. But I don't think it's laying worker. So I can see it looks like fairly decent brood pattern. Okay, there we go. The queen is right there, marked in green. So that answers our question, doesn't it?